How to request a refund in Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to request a refund on Uber Eats. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the orders icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And here, once you tap on it and once you are in the orders section, if you scroll down there you can see your recent items or recent orders. So here, if you find the order that had a problem, you can just tap on it to open the full receipt, and from here you simply need to scroll down and tap on get help or help with this order to start the refund process. And after that, you'll now see a list of common issues. So simply select the one that matches your situation, like missing items, wrong item receipts, or food arrived cold. And after that, Uber Eats may ask you for a short description or to select which items were affected. So there, simply fill out and tap on submit. And here, after you submit the form, you'll get a confirmation messages, and in most cases a refund or credit is processed within a few minutes to few days. And that's it. That's how you can request a refund on Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.